Top 7 obese countries in the world. 1. Nauru. Nauru, a small island country in the Pacific Ocean, has consistently been reported as having the highest obesity rate in the world. 2. Cook Islands. Another small island country in the Pacific, the Cook Islands, has one of the highest obesity rates globally. 3. Palau. Palau, an island nation located in the western Pacific Ocean, also has a high prevalence of obesity. 4. Marshall Islands. The Marshall Islands, a Micronesian country situated in the Pacific Ocean, has a significant obesity problem. 5. Tuvalu. Tuvalu, a Polynesian island country in the Pacific, faces high obesity rates as well. 6. Niue. Niue, a small island nation located in the South Pacific Ocean, has a relatively high obesity rate. 7. Tonga. Tonga, a Polynesian kingdom in the South Pacific, has been reported to have one of the highest obesity rates globally.